Hey, good morning, and thank you for joining Uncle Mike for this edition of the Dow Directions, a technical analysis of the Dow. Well, we're holding the line. There's that trend line that was so important, and the 50 EMA, and the fib, the 61.8 retracement. We held all of that. Let's see what Friday brings. You can see the 200 period moving average has flattened and actually turned upwards. We have the 20 and the 8 EMA now at the 50% retracement, so we're putting in some support higher and higher, which is a good sign. One would expect some sort of retracement, and today you may see it as a Friday. We've had some nice up move. It would be expected that there would be some downward move for this. If not, you should see that we go to the next resistance will be up at the early February highs. Let's take a look at let me look at some let's look at support and resistance shorter term. Let's see if that's changed. Still at the same level. The downside support level of 82.84 was broken 40 days ago, so we'll see if we can approach that and break it. If we do, it is a bullish sign. On the longer term, the support and resistance is 83.13, and that was also breached 40 days ago, which is bearish until we break that area. Let's look at the Chande chart checkup. Hallelujah. Overall price bias is upwards now at this point. It's changed from downwards since forever. Turned a little bit, and here's the first day that the price bias is upwards. Short-term prices are stalling, and intermediate-term prices are ranging. The projected upper bound is 84.51, and the projected lower bound is 73.79. The Rex Takasugi profile. Dow closed up 171 points yesterday. Volume was 10% below average, and now the Bollinger Bands are 33% wider than normal. The technical outlook is as follows. Short term is overbought, intermediate term is bullish, and long term is still bearish. The Dow is currently 16.7% below its 200 period moving average, which is now in an upward trend, ever so slightly, but upward. The volatility is relatively normal compared with the average volatility of the last 10 periods. The trend forecasting oscillators are currently bullish and have had this outlook for the last 5 periods. So that's our little story today for the Dow directions. Look for some sort of retracement, possibly today on a Friday. Many might not want to go home. Too much of a long bias in a position. You never know what happens over a weekend. So the main relatively neutral or flat, and we could see some downward pressure on prices. Have a wonderful day, and Uncle Mike will see you, probably by Sunday night, and we'll take another look at longer term charts for the Dow over the weekend like I normally do. Thanks, have a great day, and I will see you this weekend.